OMW friends, good afternoon. So I'm back home from Kyle's school and I will just update you guys with something related to beauty after all the crazy things that has been happening in my life. Still crazy nowadays, but life has to go on. So yesterday, or was it 2 days ago? I don't know what's happening now. Like, what day is today? Today's Wednesday. So I showed you this huge Boxo powder surprise from Benefit, and I'll be showing you what's inside. I know a lot of you probably seen this, but I am amazed with this box, with this huge box, because sobrang kuhang-kuha nila yung original Boxo powder na makeup ng Benefit, because I own all the shades. So this is what's inside. As I was saying, smells like chocolate because inside, because it's Gold Rush, they have all things gold, the gold chocolates. I don't know where you guys bought this, because usually yung bilog, diba? Galing nyo ha, ang bango. But it's kind of melted. So chocolates aside, so ang dami pang sugar rush, especially for someone like me who's always sleepy. There's the original Gold Rush Boxo powder, which is for the face and a complexion. Let's start with the star product first. So I actually powdered my face para walang blush. So you'll see the difference. I'll be using it right now. Gold Rush is actually their newest blush Boxo powder, and these are all the Benefit powders that you can try. I have always been a Havana girl, and then medyo nag-shift ako to Dallas. And then recently, when California came out, been using California for the longest time. So ito yung California. So let us see if this will change my mind. So inside is very gold pa rin. As the usual, there's a blush and a stopper. At para siyang gold foil on top. So mas marami siyang gold powder as compared to California. As for any Boxo powders, yung design lang niya on top have more gold flecks. Then once you keep on using it, mawawala siya, but that doesn't mean that the blush doesn't have gold flecks anymore. Meron pa rin, but not as much as the ones on top. So Gold Rush is said to be a warm golden nectar blush. So I'll be using a separate brush for now, and I'll just be grabbing the pigment at the center kasi ayoko pa siyang sirain before photos. So I got a lot of sparkles. So we'll see if this will show up nicely on my cheeks. Yes, it's warm, peachy pink shade. And yes, may sheen siya. I love golden. I'm smelling golden. Vanilla. Sobrang bango niya. I'll be adding kasi it doesn't show up on video, but in person it looks really nice. Literally, there's gold flecks. Super tiny lang. I have a feeling this is a type of blush wherein I'll use on a daily basis, pero just probably 2 to 3 layers para natural. But if I want it to boom on photo or video, probably 4 to 5 layers for it to show up, because this is very natural. For reference, I'll show you how California looks on my skin. So kaya ko siya siguro type because if I'm in a rush, mas nag-show up siya easily. I know, very almost close ang shade, but this one is more so pigmented. Same 2 layers of California and 2 layers of Gold Rush. And I love Gold Rush for the effect na super natural at talagang may glow siya, while this one is more obvious na may blush ako. So but call. Please don't vote yet because I did not really grab a lot of the pigment here kasi ayoko nga siyang masira for now. So definitely wait for my blog post. I'll definitely show you the real effect of Gold Rush soon. So, and even blush aside, I will be talking about Complexionista. I actually love purchasing sets. You can ask anyone from, Benefit theme. I always order from them sets because mas sulit siya, because you get to try different products in one redundant product. Yung sinabi ko, but you get the drift. You get different various Benefit products in one item. So here you get a concealer, the Boing numbers 1 and 2, so you can try both shades. You also get the Hoola Light and Hoola. So I love Hoola, so I'm excited for this. Hoola Light is perfect for fair complexion, while Hoola mismo is perfect for medium to darker complexion. And then they also included a What's Up and Dandelion Twinkle. So I'm excited for Dandelion Twinkle. So as always, I love their packaging because they're made of carton, which is, safe for the environment. And this is exactly like the box, and they also included like a small magazine-like brochure for you to learn how to use the products and ingredients and product details. So actually, ang galing. It looks like a glossy. So there's the title of the magazine, and there's the cover girl and some tips and tricks that you will learn from using this palette. So when you open it like this, you get, this is the concealer, and lastly, Dandelion Twinkle, which I'm excited to use, and What's Up. So I've tried all these except Dandelion Twinkle, so watch out for that. But yes, this is a great pang travel na product, or if you want to start investing on benefit. I always recommend anyone who wanted to try a specific brand to look for sets para again masulit. So again, this is called Complexionista because it has a concealer, a highlighter, and a bronzer. So it will give you fake good looking complexion.